iOS 26 public beta was just released. Check out the camera and stick around to the end for some install advice. We have a new camera icon now, which is pretty cool. Tap there and you'll get this when you first start. A streamlined design elevates photo and video modes. Swipe left or right to access additional modes. I'm just going to hit continue. As you can see along the bottom here, I can just scroll between whether I want time-lapse, cinematic, video, photo. And then when I'm in each mode, I have access to all of the controls. Right up here in the top right, I can tap there and it gives me another menu, which is very convenient, much better than before. I like the fact it's all right here. And whether you're in photo or video mode, you have that option. This menu allows night mode off and auto, same with flash. I also like the fact that on the left, I can change the resolution from 4K to HD, or I can also change the frame rate right here. Keep in mind, this is public beta, not the official public release, which will happen in September. So still a chance it can affect your phone. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the camera app.